Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. Today, we will do the revision of English Reader Chapter 2, The Three Spinners. I have already discussed this chapter before. Today, I will give you a brief summary of the chapter so that you can recall the story. This chapter is in the form of a play. Characters of this play are Narrator 1, Narrator 2, Laurel, Mother, Bertie, Gertie, May, Prince, and Queen. Narrator 1 and 2 are narrating a story. There was a girl named Laurel. She was very lazy. She lived with her mother in a small cottage in the woods. Her mother made a living by spinning wool and flax into fine thread. She never helped her mother. Laurel used to always refuse to do anything. At last, her mother got very angry and asked her to go and find her own living. Luckily, the queen of that place was passing by and heard the noise and loud cry of Laurel. She came and asked the reason. Laurel's mother felt shy to say about her daughter's laziness. She lied to the queen that Laurel is very hard-working girl and all the time she wants to spin. And as they were very poor, she could not provide Laurel enough cotton. That is why she was crying. By listening to this, the queen was very impressed and she brought Laurel to the palace. She took her to a room filled with flax and asked her to spin the flax. And after that, Laurel could marry her son. Queen left, but Laurel could not understand what to do because she didn't know how to spin. For 3 days, Laurel was crying and not eating anything. After a few days, Queen came to see Laurel. When she came, she asked why Laurel was not spinning. Laurel said she was missing her mother, that's why she couldn't spin. The queen believed her. When the queen left, the girl went near to the window and saw 3 raggedy women. Raggedy means untidy dressed women, calling her name. The 3 women were Gertie, Bertie, and May. Gertie's right foot was huge and flat. Bertie's bottom lip dropped down over her chin, and May's left hand thumb was huge or big. All 3 women agreed to help Laurel in spinning the flax on the condition that Laurel must invite them in the wedding feast and she must introduce them as her aunties. The women sat down to work and soon the flax was spun. It was done. The 3 women left. The queen was very happy and decided the wedding of Prince and Laurel. Laurel invited the 3 women in the wedding feast and introduced them as her aunties to Prince. When Prince saw them, he asked Gertie, Bertie, and May the reason for the huge foot, dropped lips, and big thumb. They said, as they spin the flax into fine thread, they became ugly. By listening to this, Prince said that then shall lovely Laurel would never touch a spinning wheel. Laurel became very happy and she never touched the spinning wheel again. And they lived happily after. Thank you, students.